little Tweety bird. Whoops. This is the little guy we have for sale right now. And he is so sweet. Such a good little boy. Oh, the baby bird's crying. Come on, honey. Come on. Up you go. There you go, darling. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty boy. This is an especially sweet bird. Yeah, he's a good boy. I got my gloves on, about ready to start the hand feeding of the little ones. Whoa, baby. Thanks, back down there. Hey, oh. Been having fun with his millet. Hi. Hi there. Hello. Hi, pretty boy. Hey. Somebody's gonna love you. Somebody's gonna love this baby boy. Yeah.